So who's really responsible when a truck driver falls asleep at the wheel and causes an accident? The law holds that the driver is always responsible for their actions, but in cases in where a big truck driver falls asleep at the wheel, causes an accident, oftentimes we are not only holding the trucking company responsible for the injuries that their driver causes, but we're also holding the trucking company liable for punitive damages. And punitive damages are over and above the damages to compensate you for your pain and suffering and your medical bills and lost wages. Punitive damages are meant to punish the trucking company for allowing and setting the stage for their drivers to be driving fatigued. And that is a huge problem in the trucking industry. The profit margins are so small that the trucking companies are overworking their drivers. They're making them drive longer hours than are mandated by the federal government. And the only way you're ever going to find out about those type of situations is by retaining a lawyer who we can obtain the records from the trucking company, from the driver, get their logs, match them up against other records to make sure they're not trying to forge their driver logs. And I'm really passionate about these cases because many years ago, when I used to represent insurance companies, we also represented trucking companies. And I saw many times firsthand in my representation of trucking companies where the trucking company was requiring their drivers to drive longer hours in a 24-hour period than they were allowed to by law. And I saw too many times where that resulted in driver fatigue. Fatigue results in mistakes. And actually, we had a very similar case where a driver fell asleep driving a tanker truck full of orange juice concentrate, of all things, but weighed 70,000 pounds, fell asleep, and the truck driver ran over the rear of the victim's vehicle. In that case, the plaintiff's attorney was fighting, as I would, fighting not only to hold the driver accountable for the injuries he caused, but hold the trucking company accountable for creating the situation that allows the driver to work longer and requires the driver to work longer than they're supposed to. These can result, as you can imagine, it's not just a small car versus a small car. It's a 70,000, 80,000 pound vehicle running over another small car. And it results in traumatic, lifelong injuries. And we're really passionate about representing people that have suffered the consequences of these gross negligence actions, and that will result in punitive damages against the trucking company. If you've unfortunately been the victim of some accident like this, please reach out to us. I'd be happy to consult with you. The consultation is always free, and I can answer any questions you may have about your claim.